So, most of the time, when I feel like going out, I just visit places that are close and familiar around the city. But sometimes, I get this little craving to go somewhere farther. Not too far, just far enough for a change of scenery. So today, I'm taking you guys along with me to Baguio. Hey bitches, it's Jel. Welcome back to my channel. We're now here in Baguio City. Yay! And this is actually my first time here, so I'm super excited. Let's go! Hey guys, today is Saturday, March 21, and it's now 11:29 a.m. And right now, nandito kami sa Blake's Wings and Steak. Dito namin naisipan mag-lunch. And nagka-crave din kasi ako sa wings, kaya dito ko siya inaya. And andito na yung order namin na drinks. I have here my fresh lemonade, garlic rice, java rice, 12 pieces chicken wings. So, let's eat, guys. Generous ng serving nila dito. Ang dami ng rice. Guys, look, binigyan nila kami ng complimentary since anniversary namin ni Ethan. Super cute! Hey guys, right now it's 12:52 p.m. and nandito na kami sa Gosher Land Towers kung saan kami mag-i-stay. Waiting na lang kami mag 2 p.m. dahil 2 p.m. pa yung check-in time. Ano masasabi mo sa Baguio trip?
It's so refreshing here. The breeze is so cold, not like in Cabanatuan.
So, mag-check-in na kami sa Airbnb. Hey guys, we are here na sa Airbnb. Time check, it's currently 1:52 p.m. And I will give you guys a quick room tour dito sa pinag-stayan namin. Ganito yung labas ng Airbnb. By the way, nasa second floor pala kami. And dito kami nagstay. Yan. Tara, pasok tayo. Pagpapasok kayo, meron siyang cortina dyan. Kapag pasok nyo guys, ganito yung makikita nyo sa pinto. Meron siyang cortina dyan na maliit and then may trash bin. Nandito yung lagayan ng mga sapatos nyo, ganyan. Pagod na yan guys, huwag nyo nalang pansin. Ayan, meron kami ditong TV and then ito yung view namin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Meron kami ditong mini fridge. And then meron din ditong water dispenser, ayan. Of course, ang lababo. Meron din ditong rice cooker. Ayan, meron din mga baso, spoon and fork, and may mga panluto din. Ayan, may walis, and may plato, and then may mga cookwares. So, ayan ang aming mini kitchen. Ito yung CR. Tara, pasok tayo. Merong hot and cold shower, mini lavatory. Meron din kasamang tissue. So, ayan yung bathroom. Also, meron din ditong whole body mirror kung saan pwede kang mag-fit check ganyan. So, ito yung aming counter table. Diyan kami pwedeng kumain. Actually, 3 beds to. Meron pa siya sa taas. So, syempre, papakita ko sa inyo. So, this is what it looks like. Ito kasing binook namin na Airbnb. Pang 6 talaga siya na guest. But 2 lang kami kaya, ayan, may extra bed dyan. And then also, may TV din dito sa taas. Guys, meron din pala kaming aircon dito. Yeah, yung nabook naming Airbnb may aircon din. So, check na check yun. And also, may wifi din. Guys, alam nyo, ano pansin ko lang dito, wala silang cabinet. So, hindi ko alam kung saan namin ilalagay yung gamit namin. Yun lang yung napansin ko dito. Maganda yung place, malinis, mabango. But yun lang yung downside, wala siyang cabinet. Kaya ayan pa yung aming maleta, hindi pa namin na-unpack kasi wala kaming lagayan. Hey guys, time check. It's 3:50 p.m. And right now, nakapag-freshen up lang kami ni Ethan. Naligo lang kami and then nag-ayos lang ako, nag-makeup, ganyan. Pupunta kami ngayon sa may Session Road. And then right after that, diretso kami ng Baguio Night Market. Gusto ko kasing magkape. I don't know. Pag-iisipan pa namin. Anyway, bago ang lahat, let's do fit check. Naka-t-shirt lang ako. Top is from Uniqlo. Jacket ko is from Multiply. Pants ko is from Shopee. And naka-sandals lang ako. From Parisian.
Fit check. Jacket is from Multiply. Plain black t-shirt is from Uniqlo. Cargo pants. I just bought it yesterday from Multiply as well. And then I'm just wearing Crocs.
And for my perfume, ang gagamitin ko is this one from Avon. Guys, super bango na to. So yeah, ito yung suot namin for today. Let's go. So, dyan yung aming Airbnb, guys. Goshen Land Towers. So, we're walking na, guys. Grabe yung akyatin dito sa Baguio.
Malaki talaga din
Walking distance nga, pero paakyat naman lahat. Oh my God. Guys, ayan yung aakyatin namin. Hindi lang halata sa camera, pero sobrang taas. Dito palang hinihingal na ako. Doon kami galing sa dulong-dulo doon. Hinihingal agad ako doon. We go left.
Yep.
By the way, guys, umaambon pala. Bumibili kami ng payong. So, nakabili kami ng payong dahil lumalakas yung ulan. So, maglalabas na ako ng cash. Nakapaglabas na ako ng cash. Para may extra pa. May nakita akong photo booth sa TikTok. Eto. Itatry natin. Nasa 3rd floor. Tapos na kami.
Yeah.
Again. Eto na lang, normal. So cute. Magsusolo picture ako dito. Kasi nakita na ko sa akin, nalabasan ng picture namin. So, ngayon, tatry ko siya na. So, let's go. Ito na yung nalabasan nung sa akin. Ito, okay ako dito. So, ayan na, ang cute. Solo photo booth that. One pistachio latte po, and then one strawberry hibiscus, one egg tart, tsaka one dark chocolate truffle. Tapos na kami sa photo booth. Right now, nandito kami sa Foam Coffee. So, yeah, chill-chill lang kami dito kasi hinihintay din namin mag-open yung night market and we will go there. Anyway, ang ganda ng place ng Foam Coffee. Of course, malamig yung klima, kaya perfect na perfect tumambay dito sa labas. So, dumating na yung order namin, guys. I got strawberry hibiscus,
Pistachio latte.
egg tart, and then dark chocolate truffle. Tikman natin yung nila, strawberry hibiscus. Gusto ko sanang mag-coffee, kaso nga lang, baka umano na naman yung acid ko. Good. How's yours?
Tastes like coffee.
Can I taste it? Ayaw daw magkape pero biglang tinikman yung sa kanya. Pistachio latte. So, tikman natin. Taste test. Ang creamy, which I like. Guys, egg tart good. How was the dark chocolate?
Tastes like Bavarian.
Oh my God. Opo, ganito po lagi si Ethan kapag kasama ko sa mga coffee shop. Wala siyang magagawa kasi naging girlfriend niya ako eh. Tapos na kami sa Foam Coffee. And right now, we're here at Burnham Park. Meron kami nakita ang Kuromi. Guys, comment kung naaalala niyo yung pangalan. Oh, may Naruto pa kaming nakita dito. Ay, si Kakashi ba?
Wanna go there?
Let's just chill muna here.
You know why they call this a city of pines? That's what you call Pine Place.
Yeah.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
Yan yung Burnham Lake. Sadly, under renovation. Super cute na white. Look, may mga necklace din. They have bangle as well. Oh, ang cute naman nito. It's so cute. So, we're here at night market. So, hey guys, right now, nandito kami sa night market, but it's 8:30 pa lang. 9 p.m. daw mag-o-open lahat. Magwe-wait pa tayo ng 30 minutes before tayo makabili. So, ang tanghuli eh. Ang cute. May nakita kaming tanghulo dito, guys. Ayan, tatry natin yan later. Dalawang tanghulo, isang strawberry tsaka isang mix. Nakabili na ako ng tanghulo. Tanghulo secured. By the way guys, bumibili lang kami ng mga kakainin namin. Doon na namin kakainin sa Airbnb. Bibili rin kami dito. Look guys. We're looking for a rice meal now. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. And for our rice meal, naisipan na lang namin magpares. Po, dalawang special pares with rice. Take out po. Yes po. Okay, got the goods. Papunta na kami ng Airbnb. Hindi na namin kinayang maglakad. Doon na namin kakainin yung mga pinamili namin. And then manonood kami ng movie siguro. Netflix, ganyan. Thank you, kuya. Yung Airbnb pala namin, malapit lang sila sa 7-Eleven. So, if ever na mag-crave kami for something, at least, ayan lang. Pagod yarn. It's now 9:22 p.m. Ito yung mga binili namin sa night market. We have special pares with rice and then cheese corn, tanghulo, barbecue, and grilled dried squid. Pagod yarn. So guys, let's eat. Gusto ko na siyang matikman. Cheers! Ang sarap guys. 50 pesos pala to. Ang sarap kasi nagbabalance yung asim ng strawberry and yung tamis ng sugar coating. So now, let's try naman itong special pares. Pero ang sarap din ito. Ang anghang. Guys, sana pupunta pa kami sa night market, yung mga doon, damitan, ukay-ukay, ganun. Sobrang pagod na talaga kami. So baka bukas na lang kami pumunta doon. Magpapahinga muna kami ngayong gabi. Galing pa kami sa biyahe. Wala pa kaming tulog actually, like 3 hours, 4 hours, ganyan. So now, let's try this grilled dried squid. It's 60 pesos. Hey guys, it's now 10:28 p.m. Tapos na kaming kumain and nakapaglinis na rin kami dito. So, yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, everyone! Good morning, Baguio! It's our day 2 here.
Hi guys! So ako magtatapon ngayon ng basura and I'm gonna buy some things from 7-Eleven.
Come along with me.
Hi! Hi ka sa vlog. May nakita kaming Pomeranian and Corgi. So, super cute. Dream dog ko yung Corgi, guys. Ang cute. Hello po. Hala, dream dog ko yung...
Corgi lang po yung mabait.
Wait lang, dream dog ko to eh. Hello? Ay. Hello? Hello?
Ngayon po, itong Pomeranian.
Ubi Strawberry Classic.
We got taho. Mine is a strawberry flavor. And then for Ethan, ube flavor. 50 pesos each pala. Hey guys, today is Sunday, March 22 and it's currently 10:49 a.m. And right now we're here at Camp Johnny Hay. Andito kami sa bean break. Dito kami breakfast. So yes, pili na kami ng order. Ano yung sa'yo, B?
Beef quesadilla. Should I get that or chili con carne bowl?
Do you want to order this too? Ate, order na kami.
Yes po.
1 beef quesadilla and 1 chili con carne bowl.
What about the drinks?
Ma'am, yung chili con carne bowl po, wala po siyang rice. Ito po yung may rice. Ito po.
Okay, sige yun.
Hey. What about the drinks? Just get me soda.
Ayaw niya po akong pinapayagan mag-soft drinks kasi
Saka, and then 1 Mountain Dew po.
siya yung sinisikmura pag umiinom akong soft drinks.
Here, ate. Andito na yung order namin. Chili con, carne rice, and beef quesadilla with 2 dips. And also nag-water lang ako and sa kanya, Mountain Dew. Let's try the beef quesadilla. Good.
That's not the beef quesadilla.
Ay, let's try chili con carne rice. Huh? Good breakfast.
Hola, lumit pa ho.
Need tissue.
Okay. Ang sarap, guys. Good. I'm gonna try it now with tomatoes. It's also good with tomatoes. Look, it's oily. Oh my God. Hi guys, we're here at Diplomat Hotel. This was around 11:58 a.m. As you can see sa video, nakikipagchikahan ako sa inyo, but I forgot to turn on my mic. So sorry for that. So ngayon, I'm just doing a voiceover while editing this vlog. I told myself na when I go to Baguio, I'll definitely visit Diplomat Hotel. And it's finally happening right now. And to be honest, hindi naman ako ganun natakot. Siguro kasi morning pa lang that time. I really wanted to explore inside. But sadly, they didn't allow everyone to go in. But the place looks amazing. Imagine, it was built in 1913 and it still looks matibay hanggang ngayon, 2026. So this is me exploring and enjoying the paligid of the Diplomat Hotel. Our 3 days and 2 nights here in Baguio City were so memorable for me, especially since it's my first time and I get to document all our moments here.
I met you last December, well I think it was. Your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for
Nantay na?
100 na.
Ilang minuto po yan?
20 minutes.
So, nandito kami sa Burnham Park. Tinry namin yung...
Bilis pa na ito. Hello guys. Ano kung bigla ko ulit?
Baby,
Enjoy nga eh.
Nakaka-enjoy mag-bike. By the way guys, nagpa-picture pala kami kanina sa 75. 4 yung kinuha naming picture. Yay! Pag nagpunta kayong Baguio,
Maganda to.
try nyo din to. Naka-relax, tas ang damig ng hangin. Ang ganda ng makeup ko ngayon. Wee! Isa nga. Ito.
Suka,
Magkano po ba yan?
50 din.
Sige, yun na lang para mix.
Suka, ma'am.
Apo.
Sige, bago ka.
Thank you. Avocado po. Isang avocado. 50 na lang. Avocado lang.
Saka po isang straw.
Ay, hindi. Thank you. Ganun. One, two, three.
This good. This one good as well.
Magkano po ba dito?
250 po din.
Thank you po. Get the strawberry. Hello guys, so we are back sa Airbnb. Time check, it's 2:52 p.m. Bumalik muna kami dito para magpahinga. And then, mga 5 p.m. magko-coffee kami. And then right after that, pupunta kami ng Session Road. And then night market ulit. Titingin kami ng mga damit. So kanina, di ba, nagpunta kami sa Burnham Park. Yung bike, chinemer at chinemberling nila dun. So nagpa-picture kami. Ito. 1, 2, and then 3. Very cute. Remembrance namin yan. And then yesterday, nagpunta kami sa elevator photo booth sa may Session Road. Nag-solo picture ako dun. 100 pesos. 2 copies na siya. So, and then bumili kami ng strawberry kanina sa Burnham Park. 2 for 152. Ayan. So, ayun lang guys. Update ko na lang ulit kayo later. Bye! We're walking. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Hey guys, time check. It's now 7 p.m. And right now, nandito kami sa Sizzling Plate. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Actually, nahanap lang namin to along the Session Road lang. Araw-araw kami sa soft drinks. Di mo pansin? Here's our order. I ordered Australian Porterhouse and Ethan's ordered Australian ribeye. Okay, let's eat. Medium rare pala yung kinuha namin. Let's try it with gravy. Sarap ng steak nila, guys. Let's try naman with rice. Masarap din yung gravy nila. Yay, ang cute. Bili tayo. Tatlo for 100. Tatlo 100. Magkano po sa ganito yung bag? 150. Sa ganito nyo po, tote bag? 150. 150 also. Hey guys, time check. It's 10:17 p.m. and nilalagnat yung kasama ko. Hindi na kami nakapunta sa night market. Yung mga damit-damit doon kasi nga nilagnat yung kasama. Nagkaroon ako ng period. Napakasakit ng puson ko. So, ayun yung 7-Eleven. So, andito na tayo sa 7-Eleven. Tara, pasok tayo. Can you get me blue as well? Calamansi. Bibili siya ng rice meal. Ako kasi busog pa ako. I'm gonna get this cup. Natin may kayo, cold fever. Isa po for adult. Look at my face. Okay guys, we're back at the hotel. Nanonood lang kami ng KMJS. And then we're gonna eat. Good morning guys. Today is March 23, Monday, and it's currently 10:37 a.m. And last day na namin dito sa Baguio. Magcha-check out na rin kami ng 11 a.m. Waiting na lang kami sa time na yon. And bibili kami ng mga pasalubong. And before pala kami umalis dito sa Airbnb, naglinis din kami. Kung ano yung dinatnan namin dito, ganun din namin siya iiwan. Mamimiss ko yung Baguio. So, andito na kami sa SM and iiwan muna namin yung luggage namin para makapamasyal and makapamili kami ng maayos. Also, hindi pa rin kami nagbe-breakfast. Baka dito na kami mag-breakfast sa SM. Anong size po kaya itong luggage?
Okay lang na lang muna ako niya.
Ito, pink. Ano lang? Sapo. Magkano po sa ano niya?
Tote bag?
Opo, sa tote bag.
180 mas to.
I'd like to buy tote bag.
Yo, go buy.
Pero maganda. 140. Tsaka po yung... Tsaka ito pong tatlo. Magkano po yung dulce de leche?
220 mo.
200 na lang to. Masarap ba to? Kunin na din namin to isa. How much po lahat? Pati yung tote bag. Thank you so much, ate. 7 pieces for 100. Saka ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough.
200.
Stainless
We have a lot. Thank you, ate.
Thank you po.
Cheesy bacon mushroom.
Then, cheesy bacon mushroom. Ano po yung flavors? Dito po, then pwede rin po. Plain na lang, sir. Ikan.
Hi guys, update. It's now 1:08 p.m. and andito kami sa SM Baguio. Dito kami magbabrunch sa Zark's Burgers and after na to, pupunta lang kami ng Victoria Bakery. Bili kami ng cream puff doon and bibili kami ng Richie chocolates. Gusto ko itry yun kasi nagte-trending din yun sa TikTok dati. So, yeah, I think ito na yung sign na itry ko siya. Gutom na kami guys. Hindi na namin mahihintay yung burger. So, I forgot to turn on my mic again. Yes. But anyway, we ordered bacon mushroom burger, Zark's Mamba burger, 12 pieces buffalo boneless chicken, and 6 pieces of mozzarella sticks. Ano nga po yung 6 slices? 1 classic, 1 dark, 1 matcha, 1 chocoholic, and then 1 cookie Oreo. Choco mint.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Dalawang Hanjuko original and isang New York. Isa po.
Isang kuwan.
Ingay guys. Thank you. That's the food. Right now, pupunta na kami sa Victoria Bakery. Bibili kami ng pasalubong doon. By the way, bumili pala ako ng Kumoro. Gusto ko siyang itry. Bumili na ako ng Richie chocolates. Eto po bayad. Thank you so much po. Hey guys, we're here at Victoria Bakery.